Now I could pretend to have my life together like some proper like YouTuber, have a perfectly tidy room, but at this stage I think I've potentially referenced my own brain cells, so I am away to go and see the fireworks tonight in Bridge of Allen because it is Bonfire Night here in the UK. Woo! Quick update, it's now about 9:30. I managed to get lost, Google Maps sent me the wrong way. I'm just going to quickly jump in the shower and then deal with the mess that is my bedroom.